Welcome. If you're looking to enable camera permissions on Discord and want your phone to always ask before granting access, you're in the right place. Whether you're joining a video call or sharing a quick snapshot, making sure Discord asks for camera access every time gives you more control over your privacy. Here's a simple, step-by-step guide to get it done. First, unlock your phone and head straight to your device's settings. This is where you manage all your app permissions and privacy features. Next, scroll down until you find the section labeled Apps or App Management. Depending on your device, it might be called either one, but they both take you to the same place where all your installed apps are listed. Now look through the list and find Discord. Tap on the Discord app to open its specific settings. This is where you can control what Discord can and can't access on your phone. Inside the Discord app settings, you'll see an option called Permissions. Tap on Permissions to see a list of everything Discord might want to use, like your microphone, storage, and of course, your camera. Find Camera in the list and tap on it. Here, you'll see several options for how Discord can use your camera. To make sure Discord always asks before accessing your camera, select Ask Every Time. This way, you'll get a prompt whenever Discord wants to use your camera, and you can decide if you want to allow it in that moment. And that's it. You've now set Discord to ask for camera permission every time it needs it. This is a great way to keep your privacy in check while still enjoying all the features Discord has to offer. If you ever want to change this setting, just follow these steps again and pick a different option. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your Discord experience with peace of mind, knowing you're in control of your camera access.